Hey my chefs, this video is for you. Why do you insist on not washing your meat before cooking it? This is straight from the butchers. You can see what's left on the bag here. Why do you cook your meat when it is this color? Why do you not wash your meat? I am going to wash this meat and I'm going to show you the difference in the color after it has been thoroughly washed. Why are you not washing your meat? What's all this medium rare business? You don't like to wash your meat before frying it. Right, let me show you. Yeah, put the salt on to get rid of the germs and the bacteria. And then put some hot water on top, like so. Trust me, when you see all the disgustingness that comes off this meat, you will start washing your meat before frying it. Trust me. So I've literally just put salt and warm water and I'm going to leave it here to sit for about 20 minutes and I'm going to come back and wash it and you're going to see how fresh this meat is. There's no way you should be eating your meat without washing it. When you see all the stuff that comes on it, I think this video might change your mind. You can start to see already. Look at all the thing that's going into your body when you don't wash your meat before you're cooking it. Look. Look at that. Look at that. This is what you're eating. You can see all the blood here. It's lifting away from the meat. You can see the colour of the meat is already changing. I haven't washed it yet, but this is what you are eating if you don't decide to wash your meat. I don't know why you wouldn't want to wash your meat before eating it. Why would you wouldn't want to wash your meat before cooking it? And why would you want to half cook your meat and eat it as well? So two things you're doing. You're not washing it before you're cooking it. And then when you do cook it, you are not cooking it well. You are cooking it medium rare, half raw. You're eating half raw meat that you haven't washed. This is it now, and I'm about to wash it. You can see the color difference already, and over here you can see all the red. Let me quickly pour that out and let you see what's coming off of here. See, if you don't wash your meat, all this red coloring, this is what you will be eating. This is all will be going into your body. Not very healthy, is it? Look at that. You can see the massive difference already. So what I'm going to do now is thoroughly wash it off camera and I will come back and show you the difference. As I was washing it, I just wanted to show you what I could see coming off of it. and this is what it looks like. So imagine eating all this. Imagine all this going into your body. Look at the color of it. It's disgusting. Take care of your health. Wash your meat properly and cook it thoroughly. Cook it properly. No more of this medium rare. So this is what the meat looks like now after I have washed it, and you can see how succulent it looks. It doesn't look hard anymore. If I can put a side-by-side picture in to show you, I will show you the difference of before and after. Look how succulent the meat is. Look how clean it looks. And this, when you're eating meat after you've cooked it very well, you won't get sick. And even if I had a lot of people in the comment section saying, well, it's not blood, even if whether it's blood or it's food coloring, would you still want to eat the food coloring? Do you want the food coloring in your body, or would you prefer to cleanse the meat and eat something that's pure and clean? Food coloring or blood, you should get rid of it before you cook your meat. So I've completely drained off the water now, and this is what the meat looks like. Fresh, succulent and clean. I hope you will start washing your meat after you've seen this video, if you haven't been washing your meat before. And I pray that you will be cooking your meat thoroughly, and that will avoid food poisoning and illness as well. Wash your meat thoroughly and cook it thoroughly before eating. Thank you very much for all the time you spent on this video here today, and I would like to see you on the next one. Please subscribe with your notification bell turned on so you don't miss the next upload. Thank you very much for all the time you spent here, and if you found this video useful, please share it with your friends. Thank you very much, guys. See you on the next video. Bye.